Oceans are vast bodies of saltwater that cover most of the Earth's surface. They are major components of the hydrosphere, which includes all of the planet's water in liquid form. Oceans are distinct from other bodies of water, such as seas, lakes, and rivers, due to their enormous size, global distribution, and their direct connection to the open sea. Here are some key characteristics and features of oceans that we need to know. Oceans have high salinity. They contain significant amount of dissolved salts, primarily sodium chloride, common table salt. Oceans are incredibly deep, with the average depth being around 3,800 meters, 12,500 feet. They contain various geological features, including underwater mountain ranges called oceanic ridges, deep trenches, volcanic seamounts, and abyssal plains. They have complex circulation patterns driven by various factors, including temperature, salinity, winds, and the Earth's rotation. This circulation helps distribute heat, nutrients, and oxygen throughout the oceans, influencing climate patterns and supporting marine ecosystems. They support countless species of fish, mammals, invertebrates, plants, and microorganisms. Coral reefs, kelp forests, and deep-sea ecosystems are just a few examples of the rich biodiversity found in oceans. Oceans play a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate. They absorb and store a significant amount of heat from the sun, acting as a buffer that helps to stabilize global temperature patterns. Oceans also influence weather systems, precipitation, and the distribution of heat around the planet. As we already know, oceans are the largest bodies of water on Earth, collectively covering approximately 71% of the planet's surface. Here are the 5 largest recognized oceans in the world. At number 5. Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest of the world's 5 oceans, located in the northern hemisphere at the North Pole. The Arctic Ocean is surrounded by the landmasses of North America, Europe, and Asia, including countries such as Canada, Russia, Norway, Greenland, and Autonomous Territory of Denmark, and the United States, Alaska. The Arctic Ocean covers an area of approximately 14.05 million square kilometers, 5.43 million square miles, and it is the smallest among the 5 oceans. It is relatively shallow, with an average depth of about 1,038 meters, 3,406 feet. It is known for its extensive sea ice cover, and in winter, much of the ocean is covered by ice that forms from freezing seawater. The ice extent varies seasonally, with the minimum typically occurring in September and the maximum in March. The Arctic Ocean is particularly affected by climate change. Rising temperatures are leading to a reduction in sea ice extent and thickness, affecting ecosystems and wildlife that rely on the ice for survival, and the melting ice also contributes to global sea level rise. It is home to several species of fish, including cod, salmon, and Arctic char, and marine mammals such as seals, walruses, and polar bears. The Arctic Ocean contains significant reserves of oil, natural gas, and minerals, making it an area of interest for resource exploration and extraction. At number 4. Southern Ocean, or oftentimes referred to as the Antarctic Ocean. The Southern Ocean is the 4th largest ocean in the world. It is estimated to cover an area of approximately 20 million square kilometers, 7.7 million square miles. The Southern Ocean surrounds the continent of Antarctica and extends northward to the southern coastlines of South America, Africa, and Australia. It is characterized by the Antarctic Circumpolar Current, ACC, a powerful oceanic current that flows clockwise around Antarctica. The Southern Ocean is known for its extreme weather conditions and harsh climate. It is renowned for its fierce winds, large waves, and frigid temperatures. The region is dominated by polar ice and icebergs, and sea ice coverage expands significantly during the winter months. The ocean is home to a diverse range of marine life, including penguins, seals, whales, seabirds, and various fish species. Due to its remote location and challenging conditions, the Southern Ocean has been the subject of extensive scientific research and exploration. Scientists study the ocean's physical and biological characteristics, climate change impacts, and the interconnectedness of its ecosystems. The circulation of the ACC helps redistribute heat and nutrients around the planet, influencing oceanic and atmospheric processes. Additionally, the Southern Ocean absorbs a significant amount of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to mitigate the impacts of greenhouse gases. At number 3. Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the 3rd largest ocean in the world, covering an area of approximately 73.4 million square kilometers, 28.4 million square miles. It is located between Africa to the west, Asia to the north, Australia to the east, and the Southern Ocean to the south. It stretches from the east coast of Africa to the west coast of Australia and includes several significant seas, such as the Arabian Sea, Red Sea, Andaman Sea, and Bay of Bengal. Its deepest point is the Java Trench, located in the eastern part of the ocean, with a depth of approximately 7,725 meters. It is strongly influenced by the Asian monsoon system, where the seasonal reversal of winds drives the monsoons, resulting in distinct wet and dry seasons in various regions surrounding the ocean. The Indian Ocean is home to numerous islands and archipelagos, including the Maldives, Seychelles, Comoros, Mauritius, and the Chagos Archipelago. The ocean also supports a diverse array of marine life, including various species of fish, corals, marine mammals, and sea turtles. It is known for its vibrant coral reefs, such as the Great Barrier Reef in Australia and the coral reefs of the Maldives. The Indian Ocean has a rich history of maritime trade and cultural exchange. For centuries, it has been a vital trade route connecting the East with the West, facilitating the exchange of goods, ideas, and cultures between Asia, Africa, and Europe. The Indian Ocean has significant economic importance as it supports thriving fishing industries, oil and gas extraction, and mineral resources. At number 2, Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world, covering an area of approximately 106.4 million square kilometers, 41.1 million square miles. It extends between the Americas in the west and Europe and Africa in the east. It is bounded by the Arctic Ocean to the north and the Southern Ocean to the south. The ocean has an average depth of about 3,926 meters. Its deepest point is the Sargasso Sea, with a depth of around 7,680 meters. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge, a volcanic mountain range, runs through the center of the ocean, dividing it into two basins, the North Atlantic and the South Atlantic. The Arctic Ocean is particularly affected by climate change. The Gulf Stream, one of the most well-known and powerful currents, transports warm water from the Gulf of Mexico across the Atlantic, affecting weather patterns and climate in coastal regions. The Atlantic Ocean is home to numerous islands and archipelagos, and some of the island groups include the British Isles, the Azores, the Canary Islands, the Caribbean Islands, Bermuda, and the Falkland Islands. The ocean is home to various fish species, including cod, tuna, herring, and mackerel, which have historically been important for commercial fishing, and also hosts marine mammals, such as whales, dolphins, and seals, along with a variety of seabirds. The Atlantic Ocean has played a significant role in human history, as it served as a major route for exploration, trade, and colonization during the Age of Discovery, connecting Europe, Africa, and the Americas. And at number 1, Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean in the world, covering an area of approximately 165.2 million square kilometers, 63.8 million square miles. It stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south, extending from the western coast of the Americas to the eastern coast of Asia and Australia. With an average depth of around 4,000 meters, the Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean, and it holds the majority of the Earth's water, accounting for about 46% of the world's oceanic water volume. The Mariana Trench, located in the western Pacific, is the deepest point on Earth, reaching a depth of approximately 10,925 meters, 35,843 feet. The Pacific Ocean is characterized by intense tectonic activity due to the presence of several major tectonic plates. The Pacific Ring of Fire, a region of frequent earthquakes and volcanic activity, encircles the Pacific Ocean. It is home to many active volcanoes, including Mount Fuji in Japan, Mount Rainier in the United States, and Mount Taal in the Philippines. The Pacific Ocean is dotted with numerous islands and archipelagos, and the most well-known islands like Hawaii, New Zealand, and the Philippines are located in the Pacific. Likewise, the Polynesian Islands, Micronesia, and Melanesia. The Pacific Ocean supports a rich and diverse array of marine life, including numerous fish species, marine mammals, corals, and the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. The ocean plays a crucial role in global climate patterns, such as the El Niño Southern Oscillation, ENSO, phenomenon, which causes periodic climate variations, originates in the Pacific. It influences weather patterns, ocean currents, and temperature fluctuations, affecting ecosystems and weather conditions in different parts of the world. Oceans are essential for sustaining life on Earth as they play a critical role in maintaining the planet's climate, supporting diverse ecosystems, and providing valuable resources and services that benefit both human societies and the environment. If you learned something and also enjoyed these types of video, push that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be the first to get our new videos. Thanks for watching.